Hello and welcome to a series of recordings for cursive handwriting with individual letters. One thing that's going to be true in every case here for all letters being displayed is that initially, when writing the letter, there's a small bit of a line where you have to put the pencil across the line where the letter sits. Make up an analogy, make up a story for a rhyme, a phrase to go with the letter as you're forming it to help the learners you're working with to remember where they should be putting their pencil, how they should be drawing the letter. For the letter A, for the first letter here, I'm going to be using a story for fishing. So when you're thinking of fishing, you're thinking of letter A just now. I know fishing and A doesn't go together, but the shape that you make with the A kind of works with what I'm going to be doing. So here we go. You walk to the shore along the line, you cast your fishing line out, you pull back the line, you hook the fish, and you pull it in. Walk along the shore, cast your line out, pull it back again, you hook the fish, and you reel it in. Walk to the shore, you cast your line, you pull it back, you hook the fish, and you reel it in. The reason why I've suggested doing it with these different phrases is because of the action that happens. The going along the way with the pencil here, so walking to the shore, casting the line out and pulling back as you do with fishing. Hooking the fish is really nicking up to that point there so that they join, and reeling the fish in is the best I could think of. So here we go. It goes for another couple of lines here just again to show those who you're with what's going on. I really recommend muting it when you're playing it so you can speak along rather than having my voice. One thing, I was on a course for this, and one thing that was suggested is not to use rubbers. So an example there, where I'm using the smartboard, it's not perfect alignment. The letters aren't perfect, and that's okay. Just keep going with it, and if there are pointers to make, like, oh, you didn't hook the fish, or you didn't cast the line far enough, or something like that one, it'd be good to show the learners how it could be done instead. If they do make a mistake, what was encouraged for me was don't rub it out. Don't waste the time by going back over again rubbing it out. Just go to the next one and make it better. And make it better, make it better. For resources to go with this, what I'm going to do with my class is I'll have the A4 sized whiteboards, and each pupil in a small group I'll be working with will be with a pen and a whiteboard. They'll be practicing drawing their A's nice and big to nearly fill the whiteboard. One side has lines, so they'll use the lines as well. Once they've had that opportunity to write a number of times the A again and again, once you do a line, of course, rub out the line with a whiteboard rubber. I also found in the Sparkle box a series of letters together, a little booklet from A to J, then from K to the next group of letters. So it's 3 small booklets I think will be in the end of it. The kids will have that to work on in the mornings or the afternoons whenever you plan to do this thing, to have a go. There's my rules done there, so hopefully that's helpful for you. If you want to use it, please go ahead. Bye for now.